How to recover delayed Telegram message 2025. First of all, open the Telegram app on your phone. Tap on Setting in the top right bottom. Tap on Chat folders. No any option available in order to recover. Then delete search from your Telegram account and so far. In order to recover the delete task on a Telegram. So first you launch any browser. Then search for the telegram.org// are good. This URL after that. Here you need to simply describe the issue or describe the problem that you are currently having. So here to just press this line. I will provide this line in the description of this video. And here you need to simply fit your legal name or the username that you use on Telegram account. Now into the valid email address where you can receive upgrade from the Telegram. Now after that should simply type this phone number which is currently associated with your Telegram account. So let me strike the full valid phone number. Now should be simply tap on submit, and within some days or week you can easily recover detail from the Telegram. Before we wrap up, a quick note: due to Telegram end-to-end encryption, recovering delayed message isn't always granted. To avoid future issue, make it a habit to back up your important chat. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.